Hi, my name is Nicholas and I'm going to quickly show you how to work with and organise datasets within the NHS England data catalogue so that your job is made just a little bit easier. Let's take this dental statistics dataset as an example. In the main part of the page we can see that there's a title, a description, a list of data and resources associated with the dataset, a list of the tags annotated to the dataset, and under additional info various bits of arbitrary metadata associated with the dataset. For each data resource there is an Explore button. Clicking on it provides further information, and in the case of tabular data, the data catalogue will provide a preview. It's also possible to generate very simple charts for the purposes of exploring the data. Of course, if you're preparing a report, you should download the raw data resource yourself, for example the CSV or Excel spreadsheet, and make use of your analytical tools to prepare and visualize the data. Returning to the dataset, at the top are a set of tabs. Groups lists the user-defined groups, which I'll explain in a moment, to which this dataset belongs. Activity stream is a log of all the various interactions that have happened to this dataset. For example, if it has been updated or if a new data resource was added. Related is yet to be filled in, but is a way for the dataset publisher, in this case HSCIC, to link related datasets. For example, if this dataset was derived from some other datasets, a good place to show this relationship would be via this tab. Of course, Help is what you click if you're unsure as to what to do. And to the left are details of the publisher, HSCIC, and above it is a Follow button. If you click on it, you will receive email updates whenever there is a change that would appear in the activity stream for the dataset. Click the Unfollow button to make the email stop. Organising your commonly used datasets is easy with the data catalogue. This is where the groups functionality really shines. Groups are simply named sets of datasets, sort of like favourites or bookmark functions. Let's say you have to generate a monthly report and you want quick access to the datasets you use to create it. A group is an ideal use case for this situation. Simply click on the Groups tab, click on Add Group, and fill in the details, which I'll do very quickly now. So here's my new group, but unfortunately there are no datasets in it. So now we need to find some datasets. I'll try and find the first one. I'll use the first one I come to, and I go to the Datasets Groups tab. I use the drop down to find my dataset, my new group, test group 1234, and then I click Add to Group. And now we can see that this dataset now belongs to the test group 1234. If I click here, it takes me to that group, and I can see in fact that the new dataset is listed as a member of this group. Importantly, you'll also see the activity stream for this group is actually a merged timeline of all the datasets it contains. And also usefully, you can follow the group and receive email updates in the regular way. Click on the Manage button to edit various aspects of the group and add arbitrary metadata about this group. Share who can add items to this group via the User Configuration tool. This allows you to collaborate on curating datasets into groups. So this concludes our short exploration of working with and organising datasets within NHS England's data catalogue. If you want to provide feedback, just use this tab here and we'll get the message. Thanks a lot.